Hello everyone, my name is Linn and I am from Myanmar. You can call me Linn or Mabel as you like, yeah. Currently, I'm studying at Ajarn University and I'm also one of the international business students. Firstly, I would like to talk about why I came to Rangsit University to study. I am from Myanmar, so Myanmar have really serious situations right now about the military coup. And like so, because of this, in Myanmar, many of these universities and schools are closed because these situations. Because that's why I came to Rangsit University to get my bachelor degrees. Currently I'm studying from Rangsit University, and then I'm doing my small business. I'm running my small business. My small business is natural handmade skincare business. So for my business and for my bachelor degrees, I came here and I'm studying here at Rangsit University. At first, I was thinking about the orientation stage in Rangsit University. It was really fun and I enjoyed it very much. And then the professor, the headmaster, and the teacher from Rangsit University are very kind folks. And yeah, I really love it. This video is for my English classes, and now I'm trying to be influenced in my language, my English case, and I'm trying to improve my English game more and more. When I get the professionals, when I will be a professional one in English speaking and English language at the time, I want to guide every freshers and every students who really want to improve their English game. Okay, let me stop my video here. In next videos, I will show you how the Rangsit University is beautiful and how enjoying our uni life very happily.